Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to create a talking avatar for free with Hugging Face AI. So let's get started. First thing first, open your web browser and tap on Hugging Face AI on your web address and simply go to your Hugging Face website. Then inside the website, all you have to do is tap on the space option available there. Inside space option, type on the search address Win Tony. Then you will get to see Chat Talker option available there. Simply tap on it. You will have options like upload images and upload audio for the generation of AI speaking. Now all I have done is generated an AI picture and I have uploaded it there. And you'll have to upload an audio, whatever audio you want to, that you have saved in your PC. After choosing the photo and an audio, you can simply tap on the generate option available there and your video will be generated.
你可以乘公共汽车去车站。
So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.